Hey guys, I just came from getting my hair done and I love it. It doesn't hurt, and yeah, I gotta run a few errands. Go get my eyebrows arched. What is a nice day in Philly? It's gonna be in the 50s today, which is amazing. So I'm about to go and number one, get my eyebrows arched. Look at my hair. Yes, God. I'm here for the thick goddess locks. I love it. I'm gonna get me some clips to put in it and just get my whole entire life. Y'all gonna have to be like, girl, who you think you are? But it's so cute. But yes, so that's what I'm about to go do right now. Go get my eyebrows arched, get me some clips for my hair, and just run some errands. And then go to my mom's, have a little fun with them. But this looks so cute. But I will see you guys soon. Enjoy your Sunday. Mwah. Alright, so mission accomplished. I found my niece's shoes and got my Starbucks. Usually I get coffee or hot tea, but I was craving the passion tango tea that I usually get with the, what is it called? The lemonade. So yeah, I got that. And I'm about to go to my mom's house to see my niece and my granny. And yeah, run a couple more errands and then spend time with Bae. I hate that term, but I'm saying it because it's just, I don't know. So yeah. Don't just make you think it's the last dance. Hey. Yo, every time I hear that song, I don't think of nothing but Say the Last Dance, and they used to killing it. So I be thinking I be killing it because of it. Hey guys, I'm super excited, even though it's a gloomy, rainy, and cold day, to be vlogging because right now I am on my school's campus about to pick up my master's degree. I'm super excited. Like, if I didn't need anything to brighten up my day, it was just knowing that my degree was ready to be picked up and moving forward with plans for graduation. So once I leave here, I'm going to go celebrate with my sissy because my hard work, once again, has paid off. Y'all don't know what this means to me. So here it is, guys. When I tell you, your girl is so excited. This was a long time overdue. Y'all, I am so happy right now. Like, I thought that when I graduated and got my bachelor's, I was excited. Like, I am so overjoyed. Like, legit, I really just obtained my master's degree in education, my second degree. And this is extremely important to me and my family because I, so far, am the only one in my immediate family that has went to college and graduated with a degree. And now I've done it yet again. This is huge. I am so happy. And I cannot wait to pick up my cap and gown, which will probably happen in March or April. And then walk across that stage because it's going to be lit. I'm so happy. Like, hard work definitely pays off, but it just makes it that much more real when you actually can see it. Like, when this lady just signed over my master's, I was like, oh my goodness, like, it's real. All those late nights, early mornings, sleepless days, like, it was literally all worth it because I have my master's now. So excited. But now I'm getting ready to go celebrate with my sissy, and I'm off tomorrow because the Eagles won the Super Bowl. Get your life. So yes, I'm going to go celebrate my achievement with my sissy. but it's the first of many to come, and I just had to share it with you guys because you guys have been so encouraging to me, knowing that I'm graduating and that I finished my program, and I just had to share it with my loves. So I will see you guys soon. Wow.